Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the first steps of designing a sleek dashboard animation in Figma. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to quickly get started using Figma's tools and templates, even if you're brand new to designing animated dashboards. Whether you're planning your own portfolio project, prototyping for a client, or just want to try out something new, I'll show you some smart shortcuts so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Alright, let's dive right in. To kick things off, sometimes starting with a blank page can feel a bit overwhelming, especially if you're eager to see results fast. So instead, I'll begin by showing you what a finished dashboard animation design could look like. This gives you a clear goal and a burst of inspiration right at the start. First, head over to the Templates and Tools section inside Figma. This is where the magic happens. If you've never dug around in here before, you're in for a treat. Imagine it as a storehouse of starting points and inspiration. Using the search bar, type in dashboard animation. Give it a moment to load, and what you'll see is a gallery of dashboard designs, each one with different layouts, color schemes, and animated elements. You can scroll through and pick whichever one catches your eye or matches the vibe you're going for. Once you find a design you like, just click on it to open it right in your Figma workspace. Don't worry, nothing is set in stone yet. This is just a template, a foundation for your creativity. Here, where you can explore all the different examples of dashboard UIs for social media, analytics, finance, and more. Think of these as recipe starters. You're free to mix and match, add your own flavor, or even reinvent the design completely. Now, here's a crucial step. You'll want to select all the design elements of this template. You can do this by simply pressing Command or Control+A, or by dragging your mouse over everything you want. Then copy them, Command or Control+C. Now hop over to your own Figma canvas. Think of this as your personal workspace and paste everything in. Suddenly, you have a pro-level dashboard layout sitting right in front of you, ready to be customized. And this is where the fun really begins. Feel free to play with colors, swap out text, adjust the charts, icons, and layout to better match your brand or project needs. Maybe the default blue doesn't fit your style, change it. Or perhaps you want your animation transitions to feel more dynamic, more animated, tweak those frames and see what clicks. Remember, what makes dashboards truly engaging isn't just their information, but the way you present and animate that information. Don't be shy about revisiting the template library either. If you want to experiment with another dashboard animation, just go back to Templates and Tools, pick a different style, and repeat the customization process. Testing out a few versions can give you a sense of what looks best for your project or audience. And just like that, you've learned how to jumpstart a dashboard animation design in Figma, using templates to save time and boost your creativity. Thanks for following along with me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button so I know you're enjoying this content. Drop any questions or tips you have in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for part 2 and even more Figma tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.